Well, ladies and gentlemen, you are correct. We ain't in Louisiana no more. We're in Melvin, Texas, at the heart of Texas bowhunting. Hunting the elusive whitetail deer. These things are like rats over here. They're everywhere. And don't forget, there's the cactus and the rattlesnakes and all the good stuff too. So everything here is trying to harm you or harm you. So sit back, relax, and hopefully you enjoy the video. You are correct. If you feel like it's midnight in this video, it's because it is. And we're going to heart of Texas bow hunting. But right now, I'm gonna get my friend Tanner, and then we're gonna head out. Where we at, Tanner?
I don't know.
What the shit, dude?
We're somewhere between Llano and Llano.
We're 24 miles from Llano in Trumpville, and very pretty country. Right here, we're pulling up the Jacoby's. It's the feed store slash diner slash gas station only station in Melvin, Texas. So here we go to finish doing our paperwork and get our directions to where we're going to hunt and where the bunkhouse is. Boys and girls, ain't nothing left but your crying now. Got her all brushed in. I got the corn all the way out to about 25-30 yards from 11 to 25. Blinds grassed in, brushed in. Just gotta hope tomorrow we're successful, and thank God we made it here safe. All right, come back at y'all. What's up, everybody? Excellent time so far. It's unbelievable. Deer every morning. It's just crazy. I ain't never been so close to rack bucks in my life. Got some cool footage. Stick along. Just enjoy the ride. Hopefully by the end of this, we'll put some meat on the ground. See y'all. Oh, these poor does, they caught the short end of the stick because I've been watching giant bucks all morning, and I couldn't take it anymore. I needed to pass an arrow through something, so just watch this. It's pretty cool. shook the cobwebs off of that bow. We stuck her at like 15 or 16 yards and she dropped in her tracks. Heck of a shot. Now it's time to get settled in for the next morning hunt. Well, as you can tell, these bucks were way too small, so I just had to sit there and watch them. And then next thing you know, a few does come in, my luck's fixing to change.
There she is. And her Maddie. That Grim Reaper does work, son. Grim Reaper. Broadheads. Complete pass through. She ducked and it came out of her other shoulder way high. Dog. But yeah, it's a massacre.
Alright, let's get to the end of this video and cook up a little deer. We got the deer tenderloins right there. All I'm going to use a little Holy Cow barbecue rub by Meat Church. If you ain't tried it, you need to do it. And we're just going to lay them out. I got some sick kids.
No, I don't.
Huh? A little olive oil on there, rub them around.
I thought it was supposed to be Olive Garden.
Olive Garden's the store. Oh, goofy kids. Alright, we're gonna take our Holy Cow. It's just got a lot of black pepper. Got a good coating. Black pepper, salt, paprika, all the good stuff. Okay, then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And we got the grill heating up outside. Got some biscuits about to be done. We just got a whole thing going on.
And we got some girls playing.
And then the girls are playing with
Dough.
the dough.
Come show us. Come show us.
Alright. Come back at you when we get to the pit. Alright, let's throw them babies on hot fire. Well, T, don't slobber all over my stuff. That's it. Gonna leave them on there. We're gonna flip them really quick. Just right. Just took them off the pit. We're gonna let them sit for a little bit, but also put some pads of butter on top of them. So let that melt. We'll let that melt, and man, these things are gonna be good. They smell so good. But y'all just gonna have to hear about it because I'm gonna be the one tasting it. All right, they finally start rested. Let's see what we got. See if the steak nachos are gonna get me.
No, don't get that.
I think it's gonna be good. See?
Can I try, Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing.
You wanna try mine? My amazing camerawoman?
Yeah, it's like it.
Oh, really?
You ready? Here. Get it in there, beautiful.
Really good.
Thank you. Okay.
Why do y'all make
Finish
it
it.
not?
I want more, Daddy.
Okay, there's a piece right there. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up this, and maybe I'm gonna have to save a little bit for them, but thank y'all for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See ya.
Bye-bye.